Hey everyone, I'm Michael Short. Come on, let's go outdoors. Welcome to Alford Lake, where for the last number of days, members from the Alberta chapter of the Backcountry Hunters and Anglers have been hosting a rendezvous.
Well, we are celebrating our second annual BHA Rendezvous. The Rendezvous is a gathering for all of our BHA members across the province to come and gather, share skills, build our community, and just engage with each other and learn some good outdoor skills. We have a whole bunch of workshops happening. We have the firearms range, so we're doing some shotgun workshops, how to shoot clays. We're doing some long-range shooting, so if you want to sight in your rifle. We have our archery range, so we just did an archery class a couple minutes ago, and we had a lot of new archers and we have a lot of bow hunters, so it was really good to kind of combine the skill levels and get the more experienced people to show the new people the ropes. We've got an outdoor cooking class happening. We have a taxidermy basics and how to preserve your hide. We have a fly casting workshop that's about to begin. We've got just a wide variety of things this weekend.
One of the really neat things about the organization is that there are a lot of subject matter experts to be found within the membership, and then they come out to events like this and offer their expertise to other participants.
Oh, it's really special to be asked to come here and talk about my dogs. I have been a member of the Alberta Backcountry Hunters and Anglers since it started here in Alberta, so I really like the organization and I love talking about my dogs. It's my hobby outside of work. I mainly just spend time with my dogs, so I love talking about them. I love talking about how exciting it is to hunt with dogs and to explain a little bit about what we can do with them. And it's always really fun because people connect with dogs really easily. So it's always really great to have dogs out in an environment like this because people are automatically asking questions about them. So they're also really great conversation starters.
Yeah, I'm Daryl Dahl from Edmonton, Alberta. Member of the Wapiti Rivers Outdoors pro staff team, and I'm here at the BHA to rendezvous for 2022 to go over some elk calling and some techniques on elk hunting. Yeah, there's lots of people that are into hunting whitetails and into hunting moose. Elk's a whole nother animal that's totally different than most, and you have to really be on point what you're going to tell the elk, what you're going to say to them. Because if you say the wrong thing, they're just going to leave and you're never going to see them.
One of the very popular activities taking place here at the Rendezvous is outdoor cooking. If there was one message Chef Christine Ferguson wanted to leave with folks attending her cooking demonstration, it's that cooking over an open fire should not be intimidating. Sure, it takes a little practice to get the coals just right, but the results are undoubtedly worth it. And when it comes to wild game cooking, utilizing all parts of the animal should be the goal of every hunter. During this presentation, participants had an opportunity to experience venison tongue. I think it's safe to say everyone was pleased with the results. And of course, Alford Lake, not a better location could be found for this type of activity. Alford Lake, home to the Alberta Hunter Education Instructors Association. Their education center, I guess, would be a good way to describe this, where they work with youth groups, they work with adults, anyone that really shows an interest in getting involved in the outdoors. This is the facility that a lot of groups come to. So a big tip of the hat to AHIA for allowing the backcountry folks to come in and enjoy a weekend of activities. Well, that wraps it up for us. Till next time, stay safe out there, everyone, and we'll see you again soon. I'm Michael Short.